heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say. Jealous of the way you're happy without.
You guys are here already. Not every day West African music. This is for all you East Africans that are subscribed to me. Uganda in the house.
Everybody wanna find Gala. Mine, she's a super diva. 10 over 10, chambore. Super mama, oh my love, chambore. My love, chambore. Oh, she's so fine. She's a passion hero.
Hello guys, Sophia. I just reached 52 subscribers, and I can't believe I'm just so excited that I've come this far. Hey dolls, hope you're good. It's your girl, Demonique. I have a few prizes over here because I just want to do a 100 subscriber giveaways. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Shabnam, and today I'm going to do my 10 subscriber giveaway. Hi guys, so up today I am at 258 subscribers. So I want to do a giveaway. I know it's such a random number, but I was just way too excited. I couldn't wait to 300. So I'm just so happy. I can't believe it. And I just wanted to give you guys something to just appreciate you for all who have subscribed. So I'm gonna start off. So obviously you guys know I went to Edinburgh last few weeks, my birthday, and I picked up, like literally picked up a few things. So this was gonna be my giveaway. So I've got a box right here and it's got everything in it. So the first thing is these Black Opal foundation sticks. I absolutely love Black Opal, been riding with them for the longest time. I got you guys Beautiful Bronze, which is my shade. I got you guys Heavenly Honey, which is the lighter shade, and then I got you guys Suede Mocha, which the slippers that I stole from, I didn't steal it, I paid for the room. Like, what is stealing anyway? This is the slippers I got from the Sheraton Spa Hotel. So it has actually the Sheraton Spa logo on it. They're really comfortable. I don't know what to say, they're white and they're so nice. I was even gonna steal the thingy, the house coat, but I just thought, that's a bit far. Like, that's a bit far. Like, compose yourself. The first one is this Kente bag. I love this Kente bag. It just opens like this. It's just so beautiful. There's the back. So compare this to something a really nude outfit and then use this as a pop of color. I love this one. Next is my favorite thing ever. I just love this stuff. This Magma vanilla and chocolate. Oh my goodness guys, this is very nice. I love it. Vanilla chocolate is just I'll make sure that I freeze it before I send it so it doesn't melt, because that's not very nice. So I'm going to freeze it and send it to you guys. It stays so I've eaten a little, but it's okay. Also, what is it? The tea. I took the tea. So you guys are gonna also receive this. Is chamomile tea. I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest with you. Earl Grey tea. It's quite nice. Earl Grey, and then finally English breakfast tea. The next prize will be these brushes. These brushes, I absolutely love these brushes. I love the whole gold and black. It's just an amazing combination. So second prize is this thing. It's called Choco Milo. You know Milo, the tea, but this one is in little cubes. I love. It gives you a little burst of energy. So Choco Milo, I'm gonna send to you guys also. This is a bit weird, but I think I'm just helping you out, okay? So this is Lactulose. Lactulose is basically for constipation. Okay guys, this is for constipation. In a few hours you feel your stomach starting to do jogo, and then you can pass. Pass. I would advise you take 1 spoon at night. By the time in the morning, your stomach will be nice and soft, fermented, roasted, marinated for good. I got your back, you guys. Hope you guys like it. These snapbacks that I got one that says Azonto Queen. They're really so cool. Show you how they look on. Azonto Queen. And guys, I took the milk that was in the cupboard. So you're gonna get some of this. It's half, what does it say? Half fat. Tastes like fresh milk. I have another one that says Goldcoastdebuty. You guys can pick whichever ones you guys want to. Also guys, I went there and I forgot to take my toothpaste, and they gave me this tiny little toothpaste, and it's got a little bit left, so I just want to give it to you guys as a souvenir. And then my final one is gonna be Miss Ghana. Obviously I don't know if it got in or not, but it doesn't really matter. It's still a really cool snapback. Also, I stole the cups. I finally some chewing gum. It was 3 for £1 in the pound shop, so I just thought I took one. I had to take one, but I left you guys 2 here. So this is extra chewing gum. It says peppermint sugar free, and it's, yes, keep your breath fresh. Yes, extra sugar. Yeah, benefit your teeth. So yeah, another price is this extra chewing gum. I even got you a pen. Get yourself a pen. Get your life, girl. It's an organic mandarin and yuzu Fairy shower gel, and she said that this could last me 6 months. I'm gonna give it to you guys. The only thing I have a problem with is like it says Happy Buddha. I don't feel comfortable washing my body with Buddha, so that's why I'm giving it away, to be honest with you. So all you have to do is,
but not only are the YouTubers hyped here, the subscribers are hyped too. Like, oh my days, I just found your channel today. I just found your channel today, and I just feel so hard again. You feel what? I feel like I should win this giveaway because I've been through so much. I broke my leg 2 years ago. It's still broken. It's not healed a bit. I feel like I should win this flat iron because I've never had a flat iron before. The last one that I had, oh, that means I have had one. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, I lied. I'd love to win this giveaway because I've been going through such a hard time. Mum left me at 2 and now she came back at 4 and then left me again at 6 and came back at 9. My friend, just write a book. No, but hold up a second. Think about it. Like, really think about it. Does BBC give you guys money, presents for watching them? Do they? Does Lifetime send you presents for watching them and supporting the channel? If you really think about it, it's the other way around, you know? You have to pay a TV license, you have to pay for cable, Sky, you know? So I feel this whole giveaway tradition lifestyle should be, you know, instead of give away, go and come. So there should be another way that subscribers should appreciate. And after all, we are entertaining you guys. It's only fair that you guys, you know, give us, you know, something. So I will leave my PO box down below and my bank account details, nothing less than £26, okay? So yeah, I just started thinking, I'm like, why should it be a giveaway when it should be a give a come? Give a come. Don't say it too fast or else it sounds Father Lord. But on a serious note though, the thing that I find a bit unfair, that's the right word I think, unfair about giveaways. Okay, let me try and articulate my words in a proper way. The thing I find a bit unfair about the giveaways is the fact that one of the rules or requirements would be to subscribe. Okay, so let's say you are 1,000 subscribers. You want to appreciate people that have been there, people that have been subscribing, who people have liked and shared and commented on your videos. You want to appreciate those people, and then you say people should subscribe to enter the giveaway. So another 20 people may subscribe that day. So then the likelihood of those people that have really been there getting the giveaway is lessened. The proportion of them getting the giveaway is lessened because now there's these new lots of people. Does that make sense? If I do a giveaway, one of the requirements will not be subscribed. If anything, maybe like who was the first ever subscriber, and I'll just give them a present or something. But I always talk about that, and I'm like, it's not fair that one of the requirements is subscribe, because it's like the people that may subscribe today, if they get a prize, then it's like, what about people that have really actually been there all this whole time and been commenting and subscribing and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's just my little 2 cents. But yeah, I'm not dissing giveaways. Honestly, give away if you want to. I think it's nice. I think it's just showing appreciation for people that do watch your channel and who's there's a really good giveaway right now. The chick natural, oh my days, the thing she's giving away, I'm just flabbergasted. She's giving away like 2 pairs of Just Fab shoes, a lace wig like this, actually looks a bit like my hair, like an ombre effect, and also she had flat iron. That's one I would want to win. Maybe I should enter. I just thought, what's the chance of me winning? But maybe I should enter. Be positive, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, because you are a winner. And winners, I didn't think it through.
I don't have that much time. I don't have that much space. I don't have that much time. I don't have it. I just don't.
That's so cool.
It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rough and smooth.